Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this back at me. Have this 2019 Infiniti Q50. You see what's up. You see what's going on. I'm gonna show you how to do the rear brakes. All right, the rotors and the pads. Okay, so before I get into the action, please don't forget to support the channel. Leave the tip on the table. All right. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Hit the bell. You eat. So every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Share the video and feedback. Put it in the comment box for me. Anything you wanna say, any thoughts, put it in the comment box for me. All right. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get it. Rear brakes 2019 Infiniti Q50 ED. Alright, so first of all, remove the lug nuts. I'm gonna use a 21mm socket. Shout outs to Pittsburgh. Alright. I'm gonna have to do the magic again. Oh! And we're gonna remove the tire now. Just like this, alright? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Now we take a look at the guts. Well, that's why we're gonna replace the brakes. We got the rotors and the pads. The rotors are not that bad though, but the pads, you see the pads? They're making a noise so far. So, alright, let me break it down for you what we got here. Let me give you a view. Alright, 2 bolts. And another 2 bolts, this one and that one. Alright. Oh, look at the rotor. Yeah, rotor not good. That's why we're gonna replace the rotor, because probably this brake pad is a scratch. Well, not probably. It's obvious that it's metal to metal, you know what I'm saying? So that's why we're gonna replace the pads and the rotors. Alright. That's pretty much it, yeah. I'll tell you in a minute what the sizes of the sockets, okay? Alright, so we're gonna use 14 socket for these bolts right here, okay, the sliders. Okay, we're gonna break it down because I'm gonna use the electric ratchet. Come up here and we're gonna break this one, break it loose, okay? Not break it, literally. I have to use my other hand, like that. All right. This is electric ratchet, all right? Right there, the 14, just like that. That one is out. Audi. Now this one right here. Audi. Now we'll pull them out. The one on top has a rubber at the tip, and the one at the bottom doesn't have the rubber, as you can see. Alright. Now we proceed to remove the caliper. Okay. Just like that. Pop. People say don't hang it like that. You're gonna damage here. You could. Or here. So don't leave it hanging. Just leave it there. Know what I'm saying? This is what I'm gonna do. 19mm socket, 1/2 inch. Okay, the short one. I'm gonna hit this too. That's one. That's the other one. Now we'll remove the bolts. Now we'll remove the other one, and the bracket come out. Let me show you the pads. Ew. Nice, huh? The other one is okay though. But still though, time to replace them. Okay. So this one goes like that. Remember this clip, okay? It goes inside, down, alright? Now, I usually replace those, I'm gonna replace these guys right here. I'm gonna replace them. You know how I do it. I'm gonna clean that where it sits. Okay, both sides. All right. Now to remove this guy. There. There. There you go. There you go. Pull it out even. Just like that. This is how it looks like. Whoa. And that's the inside. The shoes. Springs, adjuster, that's adjuster right there. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna grab the brake cleaner, spray the whole thing. Just like that. Ooh. Spray the whole thing just to clean it, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you see this now? I'm gonna show you how it looks like when I clean it, alright? I'll be back. Alright, so this is how it looks like when you clean it. I put the brackets on top. Some people are like, or some mechanics or technicians, they are like, no, I don't like to replace the brackets because once I do it, I put everything back, I install the rotors and the pads and all that, I road test it, and it makes sounds. Well, you gotta do it right, cut. Just like me, Yiddy. This is the brake pads. It comes with the brackets. Okay, those are the new brackets. Compare these brackets with the old one, right there. So that's why I'm gonna put the new ones. All right, you don't need this garbage. Oh, and the pads. There you go. All right. So all you gotta do is like that. Press it. Make sure it's even. Nothing is like, you see these clips? Okay. That's gonna like allow you to see if it's straight. Okay, so can't get lost here. All right. That's how you do it. Do the same over here and on the other side. All right, and lube it. Put some lubricant. This is the lube I'm using. The silicone brake lubricant. Ray Bestos, the best in brakes. Shout outs. No ad, no cap. All right. This is what I'm using. Sometimes, or you know what? Matter of fact, the same parts come with the grease, synthetic brake component, lubricant. You know what I'm saying? So it's up to you if you want to use this, that, or whatever you have. All right. This is the old rotor, right? So don't forget to remove this guy. Okay. Put in a new rotor. This is a new rotor. Most of them come with grease. So spray some brake cleaner and wipe it. All right. Don't forget the rubber that goes here. This is how you adjust the shoes. All right, through here. This is the rubber right here. Just pop it in there. Okay. So once you clean the rotor, just install it. Just like that. And there you go. And once you install the brackets, grease them. You grease it, put it back. Just like that. Alright, just like that. Put the bolts in the back, okay? 2 of them. Now just tighten it. Okay. Now we put the new brake pads. Remember the clip was down. Like that. Just set it there. Set it there, just like that. Grab the other one without the clip. Put it just like that. There you go. Now we grab the caliper. We're gonna push this piston back with the piston pusher. Here it is, the piston pusher. Just put it in there like that. Blah. Now start turning. Turning is gonna start tightening it. And gonna start pushing it back. push it until this is all the way here. You feel it when you cannot push it no more, okay? So you don't go crazy. So that's the mats right there, all right? Remove the piston pusher, and now you can put the caliper back, just like that, all right? But wait 1 second, don't forget to put some grease here too, all right? Grab your grease just a little bit back in the back too, all right? Now you can put the caliper back, just like that. Mind the rubbers, okay? Just like that, okay? If these guys are too dirty, might as well wipe it and put new grease, okay? But it's okay, just put them in there, all right? It's all Gucci. All right, that's one. Come here. Remember the one with the rubber in the tip goes on top. Okay. Tied it with a 14mm socket, and that's pretty much it. Good. Tied it. All right. Don't forget. All right. Now that's the last form. Okay. So once you've done this on this side and the other side, put the tire back, road test it, and if you don't hear any sound, you're good, you're all set. All right. When you start road testing it, try to do long brakes, okay? Like gradually, like go fast, like 40. But before you go fast, go slow, then brake just to check if you respond. I'm saying, because you don't want to go like 50 miles per hour and then try to brake, and if it doesn't work, then rest in peace. I'm saying, you don't want to do that. So brake a little bit just to see if it works, okay? Then go like a 40 miles per hour and then gradually brake, okay? That's gonna like help the brake catch the form and all that, I'm saying. And that's pretty much it. I thank you for watching. I appreciate that. I don't forget to show the love. I support the channel. Yeah, I mean, leave the tip on the table. Yeah, I mean, you can do that. Don't forget about that. Support the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. If you hit the bell, every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. And share this video and the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me, all right? Anything you need to say, put it in the comment box, all right? I'll be waiting for your feedback, okay? Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. I'm clocking now. It's a stool. Yeah, that I mean. Do it like a pro. I'm not gonna hold you back. I'm not gonna hold you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Holla at your boy. Catch me in the next one. Clocking now. I'm out there. Oh, 2019 Infiniti Q50. Yeah, I mean, I'm out there.